Okay. Hey guys, welcome to SPF Tutoring. This is our first video. This time we're gonna learn linear equation, a simple, really simple topic, right? That is doesn't be taught in grade 9, right? So for the beginners who doesn't remember from grade school, right? What's linear equation? Linear equation is basically when you have given an equation and there's the highest variable as 1. Right? This sounds maybe complex, right? But let's break into steps and do it. So this y equals mx plus b is the general formula or equation, whatever you must say, for a linear equation, right? So here, y, if you don't remember, it's the y values. And there's the slope, which you're gonna learn further in the video how to find the slope. X is pretty common sense, it's the x value, and b is the y-intercept.
Hey sir,
Yeah, Farhan.
what is the y-intercept?
Y-intercept is nothing but there's this graph, right? There's this line passing by, right? This point is known as the y-intercept. Did you understand, Farhan?
Yeah, I understand now, sir.
Yeah, Farhan. Alright, so that was pretty basic about the intercept and all, right? So let me give you an example of an equation, right? So let's say y equals 2x plus 8. This is an equation, right? So if you put the same similarities, 8 is the intercept, right? 2 is the slope. And then you don't have the y values or you don't have x values because you have to put the y values or the x values you want to find, right? So for example, let's say x equals 1 for this case, right? Then we put this x into here, substitute it. So it will be y equal 2 times 1 plus 8. Simple as that. That is 2 plus 8. 8 plus is 2 what? Y equals 10. That's it. That's an easy job you can do. So that means at x value 1, y is 10.
Hey sir,
Yeah, Farhan.
when you have two given points, how do you find the slope?
To find slope, you use a formula that you have to remember, right?
So right now we're gonna learn how to find the slope from 2 points. So what we want to do is, this is the formula. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So first you want to label it. So x1, y1, x2, y2. And then you want to sub in the numbers. So the slope equals 24 minus 18 divided by 8 minus 5. And now 24 minus 18, which is 6. And here, 8 minus 5, which is 3. And now you gotta simplify this fraction. So n equals 2. And that's how you find the slope from 2 given points by using this formula.